In this module, we are going to talk about different concepts like capitalism, globalization, and democracy. Impact of globalization on capitalism. Advancement of technology that is making a serious impact on capitalism. Internationalizations of the economy, that economy is going across the boundaries. Low costs of transportation owing to the increased interconnectedness. Global communication owing to the social media and other media resources. Free trade is happening owing to World Trade Organizations. International flow of capital is going on through that World Trade Organization. Imports and exports of goods and services in different parts of the world is going on because of the developed communication revolution. This slide, if you could see that how it is mentioning that global capitalist hegemony is increasing in the world and how it is paying back or it is giving or providing to the developing part of the world in the form of drops. You may call it a very miser thing on the part of the capitalist system that they are giving to the developing part of the world everything in the form of drops. Globalization is attributed as the most advanced phase of capitalist development. Expansion of capitalism. Implications of capitalism are not unilinear and universal. It is very much oversimplification, I would say, to say that only the capitalist system is gaining through this process of globalization. We would see that how socialist systems are also earning the fruits of economics through this process of globalization. Now, come towards the main features of democracy: freedom of speech and expression. Although, in the name of freedom of speech and expression, a lot of conflicts are happening in different parts of the world. Freedom of religious practices. Again, it is not as such a freedom which is being given to every part of the world. Freedom of election. Again, it is just as a nomenclature, you may say that there is a freedom of elections. It is not happening in the way pragmatically. Freedom of assembly, rule of law, provision of basic human rights. All these features of democracy, if you just operationalize in the global politics, you would find different flaws in these attributes. Globalization and democracy usually consider that they go hand in hand. Unrestricted international transactions, increased political accountability, transparency, reduced restrictions on cross border mobility of people and goods. All these practices are not usually adopted in the same way as these are explained in a theoretical framework. Post Cold War era divulges that globalization served as a catalyst for democratization. Penetration of democratic values in the authoritarian states. Adaptation of technology is the best example. Technology even proliferated through the borders of Orwellian North Korea. Spread of international norms of democracy. Yes, we may say that this process of globalization has served as a catalyst for democratization. But we may also say that the same process has assisted the non state actors to have violence in the global politics.